The importance of a language. Language gains importance because of the status of the country in which it is spoken. Languages of countries that enjoy economic, military, and technological power become important. This high status of a language spoken in powerful countries is also seen in art and literature produced in it. Therefore, the more powerful the country is, the more important will be the language and the culture of that country. Another reason why languages gain importance is their ability to acquire ideas from other languages. For example, languages have internal gaps in their vocabulary that can be addressed according to the requirements of the speakers. The vocabulary gaps are filled by various means, including the process of borrowing from other languages. Thus, provided a favorable environment, any language among the 4,000 languages spoken globally could have acquired an important position, such as the status acquired by English, French, German, and Spanish. These aforementioned languages are prestige languages. Because of the influence their speakers have had historically and in modern times. In some cases, the cultural value of a language ranks it higher than others and make it important for a long time. For instance, the classical form of the Greek language is still being studied because of the history of a rich civilization preserved in its literature. But the modern form of Greek is not a widely used language.